こんにちは皆さん Ms.P です。 Hello everyone, I'm Ms.P. How are you everyone? I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So today I'm gonna show you my latest living room with a new furniture arrangement. So the point is that I made 2 couches L shape, so please enjoy it! Okay, this is my living room now after I change the furniture arrangement. And also we changed the floor from carpet to the waterproof planks. Actually, I love the waterproof planks better than the hardwood floor since it's water resistant, waterproof. And this side is like this. The point is that I made the couches L shape, like this, L shape, and then I put Chinese base over there, and also I put my favorite elephant over here, and then my accent chair is here right now. And 2 of my cats always sleep on this chair. That is why it's a little bit dirty this far. And then this is what I showed you before. I made this pillowcase with IKEA's fabric, this white and black polka dot. And also this is from IKEA, black and white polka dots. I love polka dots. And then this is from the KOHL'S, which is my favorite now. And also this is the pillowcase which I made with IKEA's fabric. And this is our God's area. My husband display all kinds of Jesus and God's stuff. And these are all my favorite Thomas Kincaid's art. And also this is my favorite art, which is a horse woman. I really love this art. Then this is also my favorite Thomas Kincaid art. Then I love these flowers from Dollar Shop. Hi everyone! How was my latest living room decoration? I hope you like it. So next time I'm gonna show you my new dining room. It's still processing. I still clean the house. So see you in the next video. Bye! Hi, Chibi! You're so cute. You're so cute, honey. Chibi! Chibi! Hi, Chibi! You're so cute. You're so cute. Don't bite me. Ow! You are so ridiculous.